high school ranks now. If you're familiar with high school football in Alabama, there's a good chance you've witnessed this before. Hoover celebrating a state championship. They've done it a couple times. Now the Bucks and head coach Josh Niblett will look to make it 3 in a row this fall. After losing the region title to Thompson a year ago, Hoover rebounded in a big way, beating the Warriors in the playoffs and taking home a blue map. Coach Niblett has high expectations for his team.
Look, we're going to have a standard. We're going to have guidelines. As long as you stay within those guidelines, you got the freedom to do whatever you need to do within those guidelines. But when you step outside that standard, now we become like everybody else. So you have to find something that you can hang your hat on. You got to find an identity.